Welcome to the iPad one-to-one rollout informational meeting. Ocala is receiving these iPads from a grant from Verizon's Innovation Learning Schools and Digital Promise. These iPads are being provided to Ocala in order to close the digital divide that exists in the educational system today. Their campaign, We Need More, helps students see the ability they have to engage in STEM fields and careers in college and beyond. The program has 4 goals: to increase a student's interest in STEM or STEAM fields, science, technology, engineering, art, and math; to increase student engagement within the classroom and the school community; to increase student achievement in class; and to increase student and teacher technology proficiency. Not only do we have tech goals for our students, but we have tech goals for our teachers as well. The rollout event will happen on October 7th. We have divided it into 3 sections by last name alphabetical. At this event, your student will receive their iPad, they will set up their iPad, and they'll have an opportunity to engage in some STEM activities. The iPad your student will receive is an iPad 5. They will receive the iPad in a protective case. This case will protect from accidental dropping and wear and tear. However, it will not protect throwing iPads or stomping on iPads from the case or the screen breaking. Please remember to talk to your child about appropriate use of technology and appropriate handling of technology. Your student will also receive a charger and 5 gigs of data per month. The 5 gigs of data is to extend the learning day at home. If you have a wireless network at home, they are more than welcome to connect to it. If you do not, then these 5 gigs provide your student an opportunity to learn while they're at home. The responsibility of the student is to bring the iPad fully charged to school every day. We are treating the iPads like we treat textbooks. We check them out to the students, expect them to be responsible for them, and have them in school ready to learn. The iPads are property of the Alum Rock Union School District. We ask that the students do not add any stickers, labels, or writing to the cases. The App Store is limited for the students. They have a catalog they can download from with apps that have been vetted by teachers and our IT department at the district. The apps fall under the agreement of the California Data Protection Acts for students. We understand that things happen, and if a device is broken, lost, or stolen, we need the student and the parent to report that to the school immediately. We will have some loaners on campus so that the student does not miss out on learning. However, if it is a repeat offense or something that could have been avoided on the student's end, there will be consequences so that the students do learn how to be responsible. In order to receive the iPad, there are 4 forms that a parent and student or guardian need to fill out. There is an agreement with the Alum Rock Union School District. This is for the student to fill out. They need to initial each line, and this is having the student tell the district that they will use the technology responsibly. There is a blue form from Digital Promise. This is a media release form. This says that we're allowed to include our students in some photographs or videos. We are doing some amazing things on campus, and this allows us to share those amazing things with Digital Promise and Verizon. This is a 14-page document between the district and Digital Promise. It goes through the use of the technology in an appropriate way. There are places for both the student and the parent or guardian to sign and or initial. Please be sure that any open space is filled in. Where it says end user, that means the student's name. And where it says digital promise, you do not need to write anything. The fourth paper is a WEST@, permission slip. WEST@, is collecting data based on the impact that the technology has on the student's learning. They will compare our data with other schools' data. The other school does not have the technology integration that we do. They are hoping to see that the technology integration will increase student achievement. Your child's name or information will never be publicly sent out or connected. It is all within the research study and not connected to any names or faces. Congratulations, you have completed the informational meeting. Thank you for coming. Please find a volunteer to pick up your paperwork. And then once your paperwork has been checked and you have received your FastPass, you may proceed to the cafeteria for